This particular thumbnail is created with AI. Yes, you heard it. I did not stress. I did not think. I just told it delivered. And of course, if it delivered rubbish, I'm going to tell it, because it's very good to give AI what you want. I was just blank because it was like 5 months away from YouTube. I just don't want anything that will stress me. After I don't have time. And it just came out where I say, ooh, so why will I be stressing myself? This is it. I also did the same with this, right? For my other channel. So I want to teach you how to do that. All you have to do is to go to ChatGPT, of course. It's simple. I want you to edit this as a YouTube thumbnail using the exact size, right? I mean, YouTube thumbnail size. Add a text. Your channel is not dead. Just do this. Use good background and make it highly clickable. That is what I did. Of course, it's good to give details, right? But like I said, I was not thinking. And just like that, this came out. Like, it came out and I love it. I love it. It's really intelligent because it did emphasis on the not dead. And then channel is more like a place people watch. So can you see the environment? More like a cinema. Yeah, it's representing the channel. So that is it. Now I want him to generate another one for me. But now this time around, no picture. I told it you will be the one to use an AI generated picture of a young girl. Let's say the story have been made for a long time, but I just wanted to give it a brief, and that is how I gave. After giving, and I said that so I want the thumbnail to be catchy. All this you are seeing here, I use my voice. So yeah, I use my voice to say it. All you have to do is to click on this microphone and it's talking already. Once you are done, you set it to automatically translate it before it starts. So that is what it did here. And then just make the background good. Like I said, I was not thinking, I was just talking, and this is what it brought out. Yeah, I gave a background of the story already. So you can just use your voice or you type. And this time around, I want you to do the same thing for us, but I'm not voicing. I want to type now. We'll copy this one and then impute photo. You choose the one you want. I wanted 3 picture, but this particular place, I'm using ChatGPT free one, and it's only 2 images I can send in at a time. So let's go. I want you to edit this as a YouTube thumbnail using the exact size, right? Add a text. What will I use? I've not thought about it, but let's just write. My birthday pictures are purely AI, right? Let me teach you how. I think this test is going to be much. My birthday pictures are purely AI. Or should I say pure 100%? Before you do this, please do your research. Calm down what you want your thumbnail to be, right? My birthday pictures are 100% AI. Let me show you how. Then use good background and make it highly clickable. Right? I don't want to talk much. Let me just send it and let's see how it goes. Can you see? My birthday pictures are 100% AI. Let me show you how. This thing, I did not add any story. I did not add other things. This, my birthday picture, you can tell it the size, the font, the color. Let me show you how you can, everything. The background, you can tell it not to change it, but can you see? I'm going to make use of this. Okay, now that this is done, oh, I love this. Now that this is done, just in case to be sure of the size, so that when you will post it, you will not hear stories like not the right size and all that. So we want to go to CapCut. Yeah, you can go to Canva, but I use CapCut to create thumbnail. I started with Canva, then I went to CapCut before I discovered AI in January 2026. I've imported it. To know the actual size, if it is correct, you go to aspect ratio, click on it. 16:9 is YouTube. So this is not the size. Now I want to scale it to fit in as the size. You see? It's too much. So now that is done, of course, you are going to screenshot. Yeah. Then you go to your gallery. Okay, this is the main one. You go to your gallery, go to edit, go to crop. Then we are cropping. Be mindful as you are cropping. Okay, it's properly. I'm using this line. There is nothing outside. So that is it. It's okay here. You can change it to vivid or anything you want, but I don't know. Save. And your YouTube thumbnail is ready. No stress. You delete the other one. No stress. Like I said, I'll try this size if it will work. Or if it doesn't, that is it. But I've taught you how you can work on it. Ooh. Wow. This is beautiful. So if you are going to be trying this, I'm teaching you that is, if you are doing it by yourself, it's not going to be long like this. I'll drop the prompt in the description box just in case you forget, but don't forget that you can hold the recording button and rant, talk whatever you want, you say whatever you want it to do for you instead of typing, but you are good to go. I will drop the one with picture. I will drop the one where AI will generate the picture for you. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try it and drop in the comment section how it went. If you're also going to try it, tell me in the comment section. If there's any video request, anything you want me to do for you, especially with AI, tell me in the comment section and I'm going to teach you. I remain Victory, and anything to grow your YouTube channel, anything to make your YouTube journey easier, that is what I do for you. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.